Enable Take Control Plus offers embed code for your customers to request a support session directly from your website. To locate the Get Support button code, begin by clicking the Profile option from the left menu. Select Integration. From the first tab on the Integration main menu, you will find the Get Support button code. Review the instructions to uncomment the code and edit accordingly. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will highlight areas to modify. To create an exclusive link for your organization or department, click on the second tab on the Integration main menu, Exclusive Link. Enter your company name or department to generate an exclusive link or direct applet download link. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will update this field with IT Fusion. Click Save in the bottom right.